If you like Halloween and holidays, decorating, and getting out and enjoying the season, you found the right channel. Start with this video, but be sure to check out all the others, past, present, and future.
Welcome. Hey, Dancing Dude, on today we're going to be opening up
Home Depot lighted storm. This was from 2024. We got it at the end of last season. So we're going to take it out and then add it to some of our other Halloween houses and display.
So opening up this, it looks like it actually is glass instead of plastic, like some of the other houses. But it does look like a pretty decent coat, so we're going to get it out and show you guys it and plug it in.
So it shows you that the lamp and the house are separate. In our case, the lamp was already installed, so we're going to hope that the bulb is in there and works. But we're going to test it out right now and find out.
Oh, it was? Oh, okay.
It's not very bright. There's like a little bit of light.
That really
shining
wasn't
through.
necessary for a light, was it?
So after getting the light turned on and set up in here, if anybody's a fan of Department 56, as we are, for both Halloween, Christmas, and other times of year and other displays, this one is actually very similar to that, in that the light just barely peeks through the windows. It's a great addition. We think it's solidly built, and we want to know what you think now that we're adding it to our more full collection. Now, these other houses here have significantly more light. They have sound. These are spooky hollow, but we also have Limax houses. So let us know what you'd like to see next, and be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications to see all the fun.